Good morning, everyone. It's almost the end of the month of November, and we are heading to December and then 2025. Now, I want to do this video to whom it may concern. I won't take time. I didn't want to do it live. I wanted to do it recorded and posted, and also do it my face. People always saying that karma is a bitch. Karma is this. I don't believe in karma. I believe in whatsoever a man sows, he will reap. Anything you plant, any seed you sow, definitely you'll reap it. Why am I saying this? So many of us have reaped what we've sown, and many will reap more. Now, Jpac, let me tell you something. You know why I feel very sorry for you? You don't even know what you're getting yourself into. Now, the people, especially the one they call Akozion, they know him as Intelligent Caller, that called into your program yesterday. This is just the beginning of your nightmare. For years, go back 2021 on Jpac. Go and watch my video. Go back to Powers of Justice if it's still there. One of Ken's platform. If it's still there, you will hear his voice. Let me tell you, out of 100 things he said, 95 are lies. I've been with him. I've been in group with him. I know him. He's a manipulator. I'm saying this because so that posterity will judge me and my children in future. I'm saying this because I want to stand on the truth. Now, I was a tool these people use to fight Ogechi. I was a tool and a means they were using to express their pains and agony. Unfortunately, you have found yourself in the same. Let me tell you, Saga has a spirit. It's a spirit that is always there. You'll be moved. No matter how you say, oh, I won't respond. It's a lie. You will respond. This same man that called into your program, I wish you knew what he said, that he's happy how Oge is dragging you. I wish you know. But you know what? I don't care what anybody will say about this video, but I'll say the truth. In the next 2-3 years, we're here. We will see how it will end for you. Chinedu, Joseph, Igbuna. We will see how you will end. These are the same people who are not proud enough to bring out their face to face Ogechi. For years, they were hiding under myself and Ken, bringing information. They will be behind and be... He's told you that he was one that brought out the picture, but he's lying. He knows he's lying. Everything he said about those pictures speaking to Oge's dad is a lie. It's not true. Take it from me. It's not true. He knows he's lying. So, I'm not here to discredit him, but I'm here to say the truth. Jpac, from 2-3 years, you will see where you will be. You see these people calling you. If I were you, I will run because I have been in that shoe. I have been there because they can no longer use me. That is why they are looking for any page. As long as they're dragging Ogechi or Onyara and London, they will come there to come and express their pain, their agony, and their sorrow. For years, they were calling on my platform to express their pain. They will send things if I open my phone. If you hear voice note, there's one in America called Olama. She's the head. She will tell you at the point, she even wanted to go and destroy Mayor's house. To go and demolish Mayor Chris Okam's house. Let me tell you, when you stop dancing to their tune, you will see what you have done to yourself. I will advise you now. If I were you, start withdrawing from these people. They will destroy you. They will destroy your image. I've been with them. When I was fighting Oge, I was a normal person. I was chief pilot, right on. Chief pilot, you will live long. Now, he's no longer chief pilot. He's Onyara na London. Onyi Singbaka, husbandless woman. She left her children in Nigeria. She's living with her living boyfriend. She's a Johnny Walker. She's IVF. But when I was there fighting Oge, they didn't know this. Jpac, I feel sorry for you. In 2-3 years, you will know what you've done to yourself. This intelligent caller, I know what he said about you. So he's only there to express his agony and pain. I am not going to. I don't have anything against him, but I'm going to say the truth. I will not lie against him. He didn't speak to any Oge's dad. This is the same thing they did to one guy called Callistus. When Callistus stopped fighting Oge and started supporting Oge, they went to bring out his passports. Photocopy of his passport from Nigerian immigration. They know because we were on call the day that person made that call. The person even wanted to borrow 80,000 from me to write petition against Callistus in Angola, and I said no. But you know what? That is why I said it's not called karma. Whatsoever seed you sow, you will reap. You see all of them, they will reap the seed they are sowing. Very soon, they will still start calling you, wear belly first, see this, see that. They will destroy your career. If I were you, I will run. If you don't run now, see your downfall. And you know, say you did Nigeria. You know, say you never get any other country passport. When you say, okay, you are a dual citizen, any little thing, you carry your family abroad. Why do you think politicians, they always send their children and family abroad? Because if anything happens, they know their family is safe. Giwa, you just newly got married. I know this one, when you're with your wife, you say, yeah, back. You just hear your voice. When they hear everybody's voice, when they attack you. Nah. You see, Saga, if you never go where put injection, Ogundara, if you never go where Ogundara, if you never go drink Ogundara, if you never take injection and put on the clothes of Ogundara, I pity you. You see, say you don't already the sweat. You see, say your head way big, you don't reduce. Run for your life. These people will destroy your career. They are here to destroy you. I'm telling you, keep this video because you will remember this thing in future. The man that called that was speaking Okpokpo grammar, saying that he was one that brought Oge's dad's picture, the video, he is nothing but lying. He did not. Jpac, you know yourself in your heart that you did. You know you brought that picture. But you know what? In future, you will reap the seed you have. Every man, including myself. You know, I like to use Exodus 20 verse 5. Whatsoever seed your sins will come to you and your children. Is there Exodus 20 verse 5? I will visit the sins of the forefathers upon their third and fourth generation. Now you're saying, see though, if I were you, I have been with all those people. I have all of them on my phone. All of them, both the ones in UK that used to source out people's information from NHS. I know them. They are here. I will advise you to run for your life, because tomorrow you will still get named. This is somebody they call you way belly face is small. In future, you will regret. You see these people. You see these people. That's the same way they pushed Ken. When Ken was in there, they were saying, Ken, write down. When Ken was in there, thank God you confirmed it in that WhatsApp group. That's none of these people saying Ken, write down. Could even bring 10,000, 20,000. Nobody brought anything. They were not even in the group. They didn't even support. You said it in that group with your own voice. That is the same thing they will do to you. They are telling you to write down. Aga kwagi in the middle of the red, deep blue sea, where no help, nobody. Now you are tarnishing your career. You are mingling with deportees, people that are stuck in Nigeria that don't have headways, people that are not making waves in their life. That is the people. They will kill your destiny. I've been, all of them, ask them. They know me now. I used to be chief pilot. Now I am only around London. Husbandless woman. Until Gwengwe. Somebody that is living with her living boyfriend. Easy. 24 karat gold. She's living with her. I be mad person. I did drink Ogundara. You don't know. I be Johnny Walker. The only woman that single-handedly left her children for people in Nigeria. The landlord, that is what even led to my depression, according to them. But now, I feel sorry for you because they will destroy your career. The earlier you start taking your step backward, the better for you. See these people. calling you. They are destiny destroyers. They are destiny killers, and they will destroy your destiny. They will destroy your career. The earlier for you leave these people, and start minding your business, and stop running a live program, and stop throwing side talks, the best for you. They will destroy you. I've been with all of them, from their highest to their lowest. Most of them are paupers. They don't have money. When it comes, when it arises, now you, Chinedu, Joseph, Egbuna, go use your head, carry on. A word is enough for the wise. I've been there. I have been there. I will start reposting video Muno Gechi the bar work. You know their voices. I will start reposting the videos Muno Gechi the bar work. You know their voices. Now the picture in question where Oge's father was in hospital, you brought it Jpac. If you talk about the one in Walmart where they sent to me that I posted, of course I said, apart from the one on hospital bed, I will disclaim it. But every other one, people should put it on my head. Every other one, or both the one in Rose book, at least that one, the person will even bring them. Even with that time, get you, they do those blind people. Is this your useless Baba barrister and a puchina agadi wine? Where they go, then now she goes source out and 200K things. No worry, I say for this UK, all of now we won't go jail. We go am together because I go the leak on our secrets. I never see anything. Jpac, run for your life. These people are evil. They go still come. You know they like to write epistle where they write things where they never feel write book. They will write husbandless. Onyara na London. Auntie go. Auntie burial ground. Why not go burial ground? Go get my justice. Why won't I go to burial ground if you come out and lie? Why won't I go and destroy your destiny at the burial ground? So you better know it yourself that you posted that thing. It's not even Ken. You, Jpac, Chinedu, Joseph, Egbuna, you posted that thing. You posted it. Coward. You are a coward. If you cannot own up, why are you running? You posted it and you know it. So why are you trying? Why is intelligent caller pinning it on himself? Why is he lying? Tell him if he spoke to the doctor, he should come out and bring where he spoke. He cannot. I wish you know those people, but it's unfortunate you don't know them. Anyway, they say what is enough for the wise. If you like, I be woman. Why you know who are you, man? Don't listen to me. But I did here. Okay, make you farm. It will happen. I be prophetess. In due season, you will see what you have done to yourself. Di bayi, usa ko hamnono. Ya gaziera.